Hello friends. In this video, I intend to teach you how to verify your account on Equiti. After registration, you log into your account dashboard where you click on Complete Verification at the top. And then you answer some questions about your experience in trading, your background, and your job status, and then click Continue below. And after entering the information, you can verify your account via passport, driver's license, or ID card. Go to the document verification section. To click Start, you can either take a photo with your camera or upload a file. Click Upload File to upload ID card photos. Click Continue for review. In about a minute, account verified. In the next section, you can either upload a photo using your system's camera or do it manually. We will click on Upload File and then upload a photo of the front and back of your ID card. After uploading the documents, click on Continue, and your documents will be under review. And as you can see, after a minute, our account has been verified. Good luck!